Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, Yuri Gagarin. The right answer is Neil Armstrong. What was the name of the ship that sank after hitting an iceberg in 1912? Mayflower, Titanic, Queen Mary. The right answer is Titanic. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson. The right answer is George Washington. What did the Wright brothers invent? The telephone, the airplane, the television. The right answer is the airplane. Who was known as the Mona Lisa painter? Van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo. The right answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Which country built the Great Wall? Egypt, China, Greece. The right answer is China. Who was the famous scientist who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei. The right answer is Isaac Newton. Who was the first female pilot to fly across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart, Marie Curie, Rosa Parks. The right answer is Amelia Earhart. What is the name of the ancient Egyptian king whose tomb was discovered in 1922? Ramses II, Tutankhamun, Cleopatra. The right answer is Tutankhamun. Who invented the light bulb? Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla. The right answer is Thomas Edison. Who is known for writing Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, Mark Twain. The right answer is William Shakespeare. What did Christopher Columbus discover? America, Australia, Africa. The right answer is America. Who was the famous leader of the civil rights movement in the USA? Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is Martin Luther King Jr. Which queen ruled England for 70 years? Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth I, Queen Elizabeth II. The right answer is Queen Elizabeth II. Who was the first woman in space? Sally Ride, Valentina Tereshkova, Katherine Johnson. The right answer is Valentina Tereshkova. Did you enjoy this quiz? Hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting challenges. Goodbye.